day at the market. And we're walking through, seeing what bargains we can find. How are you finding your market experience?
It's amazing. That man is wearing a pillowcase behind you. Look.
Thank you. What have you found over here? Olives. Scarves. Cashmere. Does it feel like cashmere?
I don't know. Cashmere feels like
Soft.
Yeah, it's soft. Quite like that.
Have you bought anything?
I have a bag and a cauliflower.